If you are looking for a smart body weight scale, you're absolutely going to love this one by GE. It measures everything. The thing that I like about this, you literally just step on the scale. Once you have this connected to Bluetooth, it's automatically going to send you the weight to the app. So you don't have to record it anywhere, which is really nice. It's going to track a ton of different things, your water weight, your metrics, pretty much everything you want to track. And it's in a nice little chart as well. So you can constantly reference it. You'll see down here we got the little rubbers right here so it doesn't move anywhere. It does take batteries, and the batteries are included, which is really nice and I appreciate. So you'll see here, this is the dimensions and everything. It weighs about 3.32 pounds, and the scale is going to be about 11 by 11 by 1. And then you have right over here high precision measurement, colorful LED. It kind of shows you whether you're obese or not. The app is free as well. So if you're looking for a great body weight smart scale that's really easy to set up, easy to use, could not recommend this one enough. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.